Why does your scanner show the P2771 engine code? What does it mean? P2771 is a diagnostic trouble code for four-wheel drive 4WD low switch circuit. This engine code indicates that the problem with the circuit that controls the four-wheel drive low-range selection, meaning the vehicle's computer isn't receiving the correct signal from the four-wheel drive low switch or actuator. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. 4WD low switch failure, wiring and connection issues, transfer case control module problems, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Chevrolet, GMC, and Hummer. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.